guys, it's Allanna here. Oh my gosh, this is my last day of high school ever. And that's just crazy to me. Like, oh, okay, I'm sorry. This year just went by so fast, but I really did have so much fun this year. Don't get me wrong. But of course, with that said, today's video is a get ready with me vlog of my last day of high school. I am gonna try and vlog a little bit today of my actual day as well. It's actually like 9:30 right now. I woke up a little while ago, and today's like school schedule is a weird schedule. I don't have to go in till 11:30. Well, I don't have to because we have exams and stuff, but I'm exempt from them, so I don't have to take my exams, thank goodness. But I don't have to go until later. So yeah, today is hopefully going to be a fun day, you know, just going into school for one last time and seeing all my friends and all that. And it's exciting but sad at the same time, not even going to lie. But yeah, so I am going to be meeting Lauren in a bit for Starbucks before we go to school. So I need to start getting ready because I also don't know what I'm gonna wear. Haven't planned that yet either, so I'm just gonna go start getting ready. So first off, I am just gonna do my makeup and everything. Luckily my hair is actually already done. It's just leftover curls from yesterday, but it is really humid outside because it's supposed to rain today, so honestly it's probably not gonna stay looking like this for very long, but you know what, it's okay because I didn't, you know, have to do it this morning. So there is that. But yeah, honestly this year really did seem to go by so fast, but I honestly think it's because I really genuinely was having fun this year. You know, if you do have fun with things and you make the most out of it, you know, like that saying, time flies when you're having fun, like I genuinely feel like that is very true because, you know, a lot of people say like, oh, I can't wait to graduate and all that. I don't want to be in high school anymore, which yeah, I get that, but at the same time, I've always been the one, you know, of like, I'm gonna enjoy the moment while I'm in it. So that's, you know, that's exactly what I've been doing this entire year for, you know, high school in general, you know. So I think if you just accept the fact, you know, like you're gonna have to be in high school anyway, so just have fun while you're in it, you know, just because you have to enjoy the moments that you're currently in to begin with. So, you know, that's been my take on this year. And that's the other thing. So I also had really short school days this year because I played it right to where I only needed 2 classes to graduate this year. So I got out of school every day at 1:20. So that was very great, you know. That would just be my lunchtime. And so that just allowed me a lot of time to go and do other things as well. But I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera because I'm trying to talk and do this at the same time and it's just not working out too well. All right, now that my eyeliner is done, let's see, what else do I gotta do? Oh yeah, just quick thing, I wanted to mention I did do like my morning skincare routine and everything before I started doing my makeup. I just thought I would do that off camera because I have an entire separate video on my skincare routine, so, you know, if you're interested in that, you can go and check that out. But I do need to clean my ear piercing because this is only been in for about a week, if that. I don't even think I've had it for a full week yet. Wow. All right, but yeah, so I gotta clean this. Honestly, it's been a lot easier to clean than I thought it was going to be, and you know, my ear has not gotten infected or anything. If you want to see, you know, my ear piercing vlog, I do have that on my channel too. Definitely go check that out. But you know, I think I'm ready for my next one already, not even going to lie. But yeah, these have been super fun. I just honestly can't wait until I can take this one out and, you know, put in a new one so that way I can switch up my earrings because, you know, I don't mind the pearl, but I'm ready to switch up my earrings already. Now, as far as my outfit, I think I finally decided I'm gonna wear this denim button down, but I'm, you know, gonna tie the ends of it, and I'm going to just pair my white ripped jeans with it, and then I think I'm going to do my white belt with that. I'm not 100% sure yet. I might do a black belt, not entirely sure. But then, yeah, I do want to pair the silver necklace with it. And then as far as for my shoes, I am just going to pair my snakeskin little booties with them because it is supposed to be kind of rainy today. And, you know, I don't want to be wearing sandals and get my feet wet, so booties it is today. Hi, Mia. What's up?
It's the last day of school.
Yes, last day ever of high school.
I'm excited. Alana's excited.
Yes,
We're graduating in I don't know how many days. Like 5. I'm gonna say 5.
Like a week or something
a week.
like that.
What's today? The 4th? The 5th? Today's the
I don't know. Yeah.
4th.
Yeah, the
And
4th.
the
Then we
11th.
graduate on the 11th. So yeah, like 7 days.
7 days. Wow.
Oh my
Hey,
gosh.
guys. Who are we?
This is so crazy.
We're out of here.
She's been my friend since sophomore year. I met her sophomore year.
Do you remember this?
We're so weird.
And we used to be friends
In pre-K.
Pre-K.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. We met in
Throwback.
pre-K. And then went to different schools. And then meet again sophomore year. It's crazy. Say hi to my vlog.
Yeah. Say hi to the vlog.
Okay, bye. Last day of high school. Having some lunch with my mama. Having some Chinese food for the last day of school for lunch.
Hold it for a second. It's apparently microchipped.
We found a dog.
All right.
Hi.
Let's see how this goes uphill.
Oh wow, he sheds a lot.
Yeah, it's in my car.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Thank goodness I don't have a big dog. Oh my god. He's really pulling. No dog. Nope. Okay. Can you sit? Sit. I don't know. We gotta find your owner. We gotta get you home. Well, this is an eventful day. So I am finally back home. Okay, today was a pretty eventful day, to say the least, but I am not complaining. Luckily for the dog, we did find the owner because luckily the dog was microchipped. We got a hold of the owner. They're coming to get the dog. So the dog is all good and taken care of. But as far as my last day of high school, oh my gosh. It was a good day. I did say bye to a lot of my friends because I know a lot of them I'm probably not going to be able to see again because they're going to go off to college and stuff like that. And I mean, I know there is graduation, but you know, it's going to be hard to like see everybody at graduation. But yeah, I mean, we kind of had like our last day together and just talked about like memories from high school and all that. And you know, it was a great day overall. But that is pretty much it for this video. This definitely is not my last ever high school themed video for my channel. Graduation is next. I graduate in a week. Oh my gosh, like officially graduate in a week. I will be doing a video on that, so you can definitely expect that video to come. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below when your last day of high school was. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not already for new videos, and so you don't miss those videos, make sure my post notifications are on. And go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. That is at Allanna_Cuellar. I post quite a lot on there, and you will have updates on new videos and stuff like that. So if you want to be involved, definitely go follow me. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.